The question reads, how many meaningful words can be formed with second, seventh, 11th and 13th letters in the given series? So here is the series and you have to find out the number of meaningful words you can form with these many letters. So let us first identify those letters. Second letter, so this is the first letter, M is the first letter, P is the second letter, so this is one of the letter referred in the question. So P, let me write that down. 3, 4, 5th, 6th, 7th. So 7th is also mentioned over here. So T is another letter that has to be taken out. Then 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 is another letter mentioned in the question. So S is the letter to be written outside. 12th, 13th, 14th. The last letter referred to in the question is 13th letter. So that is O. So we have to find out meaningful words that can be formed with these four letters. So let us try to figure out. One of the words must be P O S T, post. This is one of the meaningful word which can be found with these four letters. Next should be spot, S P O T, spot. Number 3, anything else you can think of? Pause this video and try to figure out. Yes, there is another, STOP, stop. So these are the three letters. I don't think there is any other word, meaningful word, which can be found with these four letters. If you can find any, please refer back to me. So post, spot and stop are the three words which can be formed with these four letters. So you have been given four options, 1, 2, 3, more than 3. So we can see that we can form only three meaningful words with the given letters. So option C is the right answer. So my dear little friends, for such type of questions you should have a good vocabulary. The words are very common, it's not that very difficult words are being asked. So you should have relatively good knowledge of English for solving such type of question. Keep practicing, that will give you a confidence. Thank you. If our videos and website www.decodmonk.com helped you in any way, you may thank me by subscribing to my channel and clicking the like button. Please remember to share the videos so as to help other fellow students like you. For queries, please comment here or through contact page of our website decodmonk.com. And above all, thank you for your patience.